Hi, thanks for joining me. This is a short class on Sun Salutation A as practiced in Ashtanga Yoga. So firstly, we're going to do 5 rounds of Sun Salutation A. So I'll be showing you some modifications you can do to build up strength and flexibility. And then I'll be showing you how you can expand on those to get to the full variation. So for Sun Salutation A, we begin in a position called Samastitihi, so the feet are together at the top of your mat. We're going to roll the shoulders back, ground down through all 4 corners of the feet, have the hands by the side, keeping the spine straight. To begin, inhale, reach up. And exhale, fold forward. So bend the knees here if you need to, focus on keeping the spine straight. Inhale, look up. And then exhale, step back to plank. And bring the knees down, hug the elbows in, and come down, chaturanga. Inhale, push up to cobra, so press your pubic bone into the mat. And then exhale, pushing back, downward facing dog. So please feel free to step your feet a bit closer to your hands if that makes it more comfortable to hold. Again, to modify downward dog, you can just bend the knees, keep the heels off the mat, focusing on keeping the spine long and straight. Inhale, walk the feet forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale up. Exhale, pull the belly in, fold forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step back. Keep the core engaged. So knees down, chest down, chaturanga. Inhale to cobra, opening the chest. Exhale, downward dog. So in downward dog, keep the shoulders broad, rolling the shoulder blades away from your spine. Spread the fingers wide and push the weight backwards towards the feet. Inhale, stepping forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, Samastitihi. So please continue with that modified variation if you need to. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up, straighten the spine out. Exhale, step back to plank. And then chaturanga. So the body is in one straight line. Inhale, push up to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. So we're keeping the bandhas engaged, pulling up the pelvic floor, sucking in the lower belly so it goes backwards towards the spine. Inhale, walking forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale up, look at the thumbs. Exhale, fold. Look at the tip of the nose. Inhale, look up. And exhale, you can hop or step back. Chaturanga, look forwards. Inhale to up dog, look up. Exhale, downward dog. So in downward dog, we're looking towards our navel. Or if that's not comfortable, you can look towards your knees or your toes. Inhale, hop or step forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Look at the thumbs again. Exhale, Samasthiti. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. And exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Focus on reaching the hips up towards the ceiling, making the spine long, and breathing deeply. Inhale forwards, look up, exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, keeping the core engaged, and exhale, Samasthiti. So I hope that was helpful. The thing is, a yoga practice doesn't have to last an hour. Just a little bit every day will give you a huge amount of benefits and make a really big difference. So even if you were to just practice those 5 sun salutations every day, you would definitely notice a difference in your strength, in your flexibility, and in your general sense of well-being. So I hope you enjoy your practice. Thank you very much.